Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first video of mine, welcome. My name is Yusra and I would love if you could consider subscribing. Today's video is featuring Scentbird. Scentbird is a monthly subscription, perfume subscription that you pay $14.99 for, and you get to pick out a designer perfume every single month. It's a great way to sample perfumes without having to buy it. So this is the packaging that the Scentbird comes in, and then inside you have this cute, sleek, and chic packaging. It's just really pretty. The only thing it has on here is Scentbird, and then you twist it up and this is what the rollerball looks like. And this is the actual amount of perfume that you get, and it's a little bit bigger than your average rollerball and definitely like more than half the price. So it's very good quality, and I absolutely love this. And the one that I got this month was Gucci Bamboo because it's absolutely one of my favorite scents. And this right here is travel friendly. It's a great gift for men and women, and the bottle is reusable, and you get to pick over 300 designer fragrances. If you guys are interested in checking out Scentbird, then I'll go ahead and leave a link down in my description box, and they were kind enough to send me a coupon code, so I'll also leave that down in the description box for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Until next time.